Hey, what's up? Sam here. Here at Geekbuying, we reviewed loads of vacuum cleaners. The latest one was the Geekbuying Pro. It's a great one. It's powerful and budget friendly. I basically use it in my go-to cleaner whenever I need. And you got to know Geekbuying is adding more and more awesome accessories for it, which makes it even better. You can check out that in the description. Also, don't forget to check out our Double 11 shopping festival. We have crazy deals and coupons here. Don't miss it. Get back to the cleaner. The Geekbuying Pro cleans almost everything in my home. By saying almost, I mean there's one type of rubbish it cannot pick up, the wet kind. You will need one separate cleaner to deal with those unexpected situations, especially when you have a tireless toddler like my daughter Christina. That's why today I bring you the wipe cleaner from Behow. But before we officially get into the review, please show some support for this channel by hitting the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Your support is important to us. Now move to the wipe cleaner. To use the wipe is quite simple. Just soak the roller into the water until it becomes totally soft. Get rid of the excess water if it's too much, and then put it back to the slot. Lock the case. You're ready to go. But before you clean, you want to add some water to your self-cleaning station for later use. We'll get to that in a second. There are two buttons on the stem. One is for you to turn on the cleaner. Press once, it gets working. The other one is the self-clean button. After you finish cleaning, just place the wipe cleaner head on the station and press the self-clean button. It will start self-cleaning. The debris and dirt will be flushed out by itself. Then all you need to do is get rid of debris and dirty water. The self-cleaning station uses dual tank technology. It separates clean water and dirty water. For my test, one fill can be used for 2 cleans. Once you see the indicator lights up here, that means you have to refill your water tank. The self-cleaning station is also a charging station for the wipe cleaner. It has charging contacts for connecting the cleaner on the top and a magnetic charging port on the back. It takes about 2.5 hours to fully charge. The indicator will turn from yellow to white when it's done. The charging cable is trip-proof. Good to have this feature for those families with children or elders. Now about the cleaning ability. I have tested all kinds of liquid stuff for the cleaner, including soy sauce, watermelon juice, noodles, and even dried fruit smudges. It performs quite well. One push forward to absorb all, and it mops the floor at the same time. The wipe also does a good job on some dry debris like beans, cat food, hair. But to be honest, I prefer a normal vacuum cleaner like the Geekbuying Pro to suck up all those dry litters. That would be way more fast and powerful. To conclude, although I know all the limits of the wipe, like it only works on hard floors, that it's most efficient on wet debris, and also that you probably want to use it as often as a normal vacuum cleaner, I still believe the wipe is a good product that has its own place in your clean closet. It has decent cleaning ability, and most importantly, unlike traditional mops that just push dirt and germs around, wipe sucks it all up. Even better, you can always add cleaning products or even disinfectant into the tank. For me, it's a great complement to my go-to cleaner Geekbuying Pro, and I still regularly switch between them depending on the different situations, and I definitely recommend you get them both if you need them. Alright, that's the video. I hope it helps in some way. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section. For more about the products, please check out the link in the description or on the screen now. Also, don't forget to check out our Double 11 shopping festival. If you missed it, you will have to wait another year. I'm Sammy, see you